you'll know very little about what's happening. And this is one of the things where patients are particularly worried about. One, whether they'll feel any pain, and two, whether they'll be able to see what they're doing. Number one, we obviously make sure that their eyes are completely numb. We usually wear drops when we're doing laser eye surgery. There is a light shining from a microscope, so they can't see what we're doing. In laser eye surgery, what we're trying to do is change the focusing power of the cornea of the eye. So in myopia, what we do, the laser flattens the cornea and to reduce its refractive power. And in hyperopia, what we do is we steepen the cornea to increase its refractive power. And in astigmatism, what we do is we do a combination, and this is where it's really clever with modern lasers, is we flatten the steep axis and we steepen the flat axis at the same time. And that makes it more effective, but all reduces the possibility of regression at the same time.